Hello dear all, my name is Bisuzadhakal and today is World Book Day. So I bought this book Cinderella. I bought it from the book fair and you can buy all the books you like in the book fair. So Cinderella, she's my favorite character in this book. So she's a princess. And I'm just like her. Do I look cute? And her grandmother, her godmother, helped her to go to the ball. And her stepsisters made her dress so dirty and they didn't help her to clean. She needed to do all the hard work. Let me show you. It is somewhere here. See, she had to clean all the things by herself. And this time, her
godmother
helped her go to the ball. And this is a story about Cinderella. Cinderella had her mother, but she already died, and she got a new mother. But she was a stepmother, had two rude kids. And she needed to do all the house cleaning and the hard work. They sit all day long and eat foods, and she only got to eat the crumbles that they left. And when her godmother came, she turned her into Cinderella. See, she's so beautiful, yes? Like me. See, I'm looking like her, yes? So, this is the World Book Day. World Book Day, and this is Cinderella's story.